Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let's see about robust watermarking of compressed and encrypted JPEG2000 images. Now let's see about the abstract. Here we propose a robust watermarking technique for JPEG2000 images, which the watermark can be embedded in a practical manner in compressed encrypted byte stream. The watermark embedding is performed by using a robust adaptive watermarking technique. Initially, encryption will be done by RC4 method. It is a symmetric key stream cipher. It transforms the input data into a format to reduce inter-pixel redundancies in the input image. Transform coding techniques use a reversible linear mathematical transform to map the pixel values onto a set of coefficients. We detect the watermark in after decrypted process. The watermark will be done based on the selected key. The same key will be used to detect the watermarking. In case of decompressed domain, the non-blind detection is used. We analyze the relation between payload capacity and the quality of an image in terms of PSNR and MSE structure similarity for the difference resolution. This is the flow of a process. Here we have to given the input image. The input image will pass to the pre-processing step. Here we are removing the noise by the use of a Gaussian filter. The noise will be removed based on the weighted mean of the neighboring pixels. So after removing the noise, it will given to the encryption. For encrypting the information, here we are using the RC4 method. RC4 is a stream cipher. It will convert the data into a unreadable form. It is a symmetric key stream cipher. It contains a step key generation, block encryption and block decryption. So after encryption, it will go to the embedding process. In the embedding process, it contains the three techniques, that is spread spectrum, scalar Casta scheme and rather either modulation. In spread spectrum, the image will be transformed by the use of discrete Wheeler transform. So after converting, we are getting the coefficients in the Wheeler transform. The coefficient will pass to the rather either modulation. Here the coefficients are converted as a modulated information. After modulation, it will go to the scalar Casta scheme. In that scheme, the embedding rule will be used. So after embedding, it will go to the watermark detection. Here we are eliminating the embedded pixels from the coefficients. So after eliminating the information, we are getting the encrypted information. The encrypted information will pass to the decryption technique. So here we are using the same technique as RC4. So for decryption, we have to given the same key which are given to the encryption. Based on the key, it will be decrypted by the use of XOR gate function. After decryption method, it will finally we are getting the input image. Now let's see the demo for process. Here I am having main.m file. Select this file, right click and run the file. So this is our guide design. So initially we have to given the input image. So now I am selecting on the image as the input. This is the selected input image in the JPEG2000 image. For that image, here we are generating the noise. The generated noise will be removed by the use of median filter. After we are going to the image encryption technique. So for a encrypted image, initially we have to generate the key. So these are the generated key for the encryption. So based on this key, the images will be encrypted. So this is the encrypted result based on the RC4 technique. So this information will be go to the image watermarking technique. In watermarking, we are using the three method, that is RDM and spread spectrum and the scalar cluster scheme. So initially we got to select the embedded information. This is the selected information. So this is the dither modulated of encrypted image, and then this is the dither modulated of cover image. So it will be embedded in the spread spectrum domain. This is the spread spectrum result of our cover image. This is approximation. This is horizontal, vertical, diagonal and directional informations are extracted. Based on this information, it will be embedded in the, this is the embedded image, this is the watermark image. So it will go to the second process. Now we are going to the watermark detection technique. So initially we are getting the encrypted image, what information is hide, that is extracted here, and then finally it will be extracted in a original format. This is the encrypted information. This encrypted information will pass to the decryption, so that same key will have to be passed here for the decryption. This is the decrypted image. Then analysis. Here analyzes about the MSC PSNR value and the payload informations of the watermarking informations. Now I am showing the result of watermarking technique in the compressed encrypted domain with the help of spread spectrum and a scalar cluster scheme and rather dither modulation. Thank you.